Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this partial reveal card with the Gingko Branch bundle. Here's my Thinking of You card, doing a little partial reveal here using the Gingko Branch bundle. The Gingko Branch bundle is retiring, but I wanted to still have a chance to play with it before it's gone. I love the distinctive stamp and the highlights and the shadows, as well as using this detailed die, which I'm gonna use on this card. So for this card, I cut out the detailed die out of designer series paper, the Hues of Happiness. So I have a little bit of Daffodil Delight and Crushed Curry in there. And I have also put it on an adhesive sheet, so it's easier to peel. I've put this on an adhesive sheet, so it's really easy to stick down. You just peel the backing off carefully. There's a lot of detailed images here. And you stick it down. And that's it. So now I'm going to layer this on a deckled rectangle. I've already embossed the front of the card with the cascading ruffles embossing folder, and I've cut away 1 inch of the card, and then I've created this 1 1/8 inch strip to adhere to the side of the card. Now I'm just going to add this to the front of the card. I'm going to center it so a little bit will be hanging off there. I'm going to ink up the sentiment in So Saffron, one of the retiring colors. And that is my simple partial reveal Gingko Branch card. If you would like to earn this card kit for free, you can purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Email me and let me know that you would like the Gingko Branch card kit.